Hello everyone! Today, here I am going to make a device that could be very useful. I have converted an old broken mini fan into a multi-purpose device. It includes a music player along with the fan and has a very bright warm LED connected. Who wouldn't enjoy listening to music while feeling the cool breeze of a mini fan in this summer? Therefore, I kindly request you to watch the video till the end without skipping to see how I made it. First of all, I removed its charging circuit and connected a new charging board. Here I have used a TP4056 module to charge the lithium single cell. I have attached this to a broken charger's enclosure with the help of some nuts and bolts. In this enclosure, I have connected the speakers, amplifier, LED light, etc. Here we are using two boost converters. One is for a 12-volt LED light, which boosts the battery's 3.7 volts to 12 volts. The other provides the 5 volts needed for the music player. A resistor has been used to control the fan's speed. Here, 3 push-button switches are connected for the fan, music player, and LED light. Another 3-position slider switch is used to increase or decrease the fan's speed. This 2-pin cable is for powering the music player and amplifier. Here I have combined 2 speakers and a Bluetooth MP3 music player in a very compact way. Then, I will connect the PAM8403 amplifier module in the empty space between the speakers. This protection cover case for these small speakers has been made by myself, which I am about to keep here. This is PAM8403 amplifier module, which is a small, efficient, and low-cost Class D audio amplifier board that is commonly used in DIY electronics projects to drive small speakers. Here I have made a separate PCB board to easily connect the amplifier module with speakers and music players and to provide power. It contains various connectors. This board has been built in such a way that it will also be easy to replace module later. Our small music system is almost ready. I have also connected an external antenna to get a good signal for the FM radio. Once I wanted to test this.
Play by TF card.
A small plastic cover that is for the protection of the LED light. Everything was done correctly. It looks very organized. It took me some time to arrange these components well. The reason I used these two nuts and bolts here is to make it easier to open this later. It becomes very difficult to open if we keep its lock system. I have connected 4 rubber base stands with the help of super glue. These stands I removed from an old capacitor.
Play by TN Car.
What do you think about this DIY idea? Listening to music while enjoying cool air in the summer is a different pleasure, isn't it? And after evening, there is a bright LED light for illumination as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. To watch more such videos, please subscribe to the channel. And if you liked the video, please share it.